In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a hash tag or a hash sign on your document or on a page. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, to do this, you need to have your keyboard. As long as you have your keyboard on your computer or on your laptop, you can just follow these instructions for you to insert the hash sign. So to do so, it is quite simple. If you go ahead and tap on 3, you can see it will write number 3 and not the hash sign. All you need to do is to press one finger on the shift sign. You can see that is the shift. You can identify it on your keyboard, on your computer, or on your laptop. And then go ahead and now the other finger, using the other finger, go ahead and just tap on number 3. So if you tap on number 3, you can see it will change the operation or the function of this button from typing number 3 to typing the other function, which is the hash. So as long as the shift key is pressed down, each and every time you'll tap on number 3, it will go ahead and insert sign. So that's how you can add the hash sign on your document or on a page. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.